I'm Christopher Reeves with Southeast Foundation and CleanSpace Repair. I'm here with Gray and Moore. How you doing, Gray?
Doing all right.
Awesome. Hey, so where are we at right now?
We are underneath the house. We're actually in our little demo area in our new office, trying to talk a little bit about CleanSpace and as well as some other products and how it works.
Awesome. So, Gray, I'm noticing here that there's no installation up under here.
That's correct. In an encapsulated crawl space, we actually do not need or even want floor insulation up underneath the house, believe it or not.
Really? So back in the old day, why'd they put it up under here?
Well, it made sense. They understood that when they had a vented crawl space and you have those holes going all the way around your foundation, that you were going to allow cold air in the wintertime. They created this problem. They said, okay, well, let's combat that issue by putting batting insulation in between the floor joists up underneath the house. The big problem with it is that it doesn't work. Number one, it's floor insulation and it has to be pressed perfectly up against the bottom of the subfloor. And even the slightest little gaps on the sides or even above the paper that's pressed against the subfloor basically makes the insulation useless. And let's just say, even if it did work how it was designed and it did insulate our floors very well, it still didn't address two other big things, which is it's not insulating your actual crawl space, which means your ductwork and your plumbing lines are not insulated.
Oh, okay. Well, that's making sense. So I'm noticing here that the wood is all nice and clean, and some of the houses I've noticed that it's like black and moldy looking.
That's exactly right. So when you have a vented dirt crawl space, or even if you do have a vapor barrier down, you're still allowing a tremendous amount of moisture from the outside air to come in through your vents and underneath your house. And mold only needs 60% relative humidity to grow and thrive. And that's why we can actually, not only can we clean wood if it is covered in mold before we do our encapsulation, but after our encapsulation is done, it permanently controls that environmental factor, meaning we always keep it below 60% relative humidity, meaning new mold cannot grow and spread.
Oh, so then I don't have to worry about, wood rot and all of that either?
Nope, don't have to worry about the smells, the wood rot, everything stems from that relative humidity. And from there, if we can control that, then we have a very clean, very healthy, not only crawl space, but entire home.
Oh, okay, that's nice. All right, well, if you don't mind, what is the process, and can you tell me what y'all do to go ahead and fix it, like this right here? Is this
Absolutely.
what all of them look like?
This is a very good representation of what they look like. This one has a little bit of extra structural work, and we'll leave that out for right now, these steel beams and these columns and whatnot. But to start with, when we go into a crawl space, we do have to do some prep work. So we do have to clean it out. If there is mold in there, a lot of times we'll have to spray it upon the homeowner's request, depending on what they desire. And once our prep work's done, from there we'll actually come in and we will put in a device to control groundwater seepage if that's an issue. And then we actually put our silver glue along the walls. So we mentioned before how we don't have floor insulation. It doesn't work anyways. And now we're stopping the hot or cold air from coming into the crawl space through the foundation wall to begin with. So we're insulating our walls with our 2-inch thick graphite infused silver glow foam board. And then this is our patented 20 mil CleanSpace liner that we put down in the ground. Not only does this have to seal off the walls, the ground, and everything else to prevent all that moisture from coming in, it also has to be permanent. What's the point of doing all this if it doesn't last, right?
Right.
So it has to last. So everything gets sealed together, and then after this is all complete, we actually condition the space through the process of dehumidification, and we have our own line of dehumidifiers we use to accomplish that.
Oh, okay, nice. So, so you have a dehumidifier?
Yes, we do. Ours is called the Sanidry Sedona. We are a preferred dealer for the Basement Systems Network, which is a worldwide network made up of the best crawl space and basement repair professionals in the industry, and they have their own line of dehumidifiers, and of course we're one of their dealers, and it actually is the world's most efficient air purification and dehumidification system. It's pretty impressive.
Awesome. And Gray, is there a warranty that comes with this if I sell my house, or is there any kind of warranty?
It is. Everything we do comes with warranties, and they're all nationally backed through our dealer network.
Oh, wow, that is awesome. Does it cost me anything after we get it installed?
We do annual maintenance, always required on anything of a high quality product like this, and always recommended and necessary. Ours is very cheap. Ours is only $125 a year. And we come out and we actually service every single item in the entire crawl space, and we extend the warranty to every single item in the crawl space all the way up to 25 years. So it's pretty impressive.
Wow.
Not only is it guaranteed to work, it's meant to last.
Oh, that is awesome. All right, well, that sounds great, Gray. I love it. I love my new crawl space. And I tell you what, everyone that watches this, go ahead and click and share it. And also, if you call our office and get one of our free estimates, we'll go ahead and give you 10% off of your crawl space encapsulation, and let us help protect your American dream.
It's fantastic.
You all have a great day.
Very good.